Hey, do you need to maintain local standard time into your web page? A time zone is actually a local time of a region or a country where the same local standard time is used. This tutorial is about a time zone widget, and the widget will help you to set a local standard time into your web page. And in these tutorials, I will guide you how you can make local standard time for your website just using time zone widget. So let's start the tutorials. Before I have inserted the time zone widget here, look at the Elementor dashboard. Here is time zone sections. Under the sections, you can see select GMT. Click on the drop down arrow and you will find a few GMT format. And you can choose anyone that supports your local time. And it can be GMT 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and whatever support your local standard time. And there is another option, custom GMT. And using custom GMT, you can set the GMT value manually. Now come to time format. Internationally two time format is used. One is 12 hours and another is 24 hours. And you can choose any one. Show date time. If you enable show date time, you will find date format field. From here, you can set any date format. And see the changes of date format. Now I'm clicking on the show country switcher button, and here you'll find type country name field, and here you can set your desired country name. Now I'm typing America, and see America name is set under the time format. And there is layout options, layout controls, and using these controls you can set the positions of country name. Now I'm selecting top. See the name take place in the upper. Now come to alignment. Using these controls you can set the alignment of time zone, and it can be right, center or left. Okay, now come to style tab. Here you'll find basically three sections: time, date and country. And all sections hold colors and typography controls. Using the controls you can set color. It's not looking good actually. Now I will show you how you can add background with a time zone. Come to advanced tabs to background sections, and here you will find the options to add color as a background or image. I'm selecting color for background. If you want, you can set image as a background of time zones. Just go to media library, or you can upload image file, no matter. I'm selecting this image. and see the image behind the time zone. From here you can set the image positions. I hope you will find the tutorial useful, and thanks for watching.